Hello creators, today we're doing an unboxing of the new MacBook Air M1 edition, and this right here is the 13-inch MacBook Air, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 SSD. So this is the cheapest option, $999 plus tax, all right? And the main thing about this is they say this MacBook is revolutionary. All right, I say ever since Steve Jobs died and left Apple, Apple has stopped innovating. All right, every new iPhone is basically the previous one with a little tiny tweak, but this one is apparently different. All right, it's different because this MacBook, it costs $999, but in terms of performance, it matches MacBooks that cost 3 times as much. So we're gonna go see that for ourselves. This is the unboxing video, and we'll do an in-depth review later. All right, here we go. Whew, baby. I like the look of that. So Apple unboxing experience has always been fun because it's a pleasurable experience. It's smooth. Right? It feels delicate. It feels like you've been just handed something valuable. The way this pulls up right here and the way the box slides off like that, I love it. All right, let's unwrap this. So as you can see, I got the Space Gray edition. Ooh, and in the light, it looks so good. First impression so far, this is definitely a pretty light laptop. It's really thin if you look at it. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. Designed by Apple in California, made in China or something, you know, designed by Apple. Only Apple does this. All right, here we go. Do we get some stickers? Yeah, we got 2 stickers in there. Anyway, oh, this is new. It comes with the charging brick. Unlike the iPhone 12, this one actually gives you a charger and you don't have to spend an extra $50. Which is great because this is supposed to be the value offering for Apple. A value offering for Apple. Have you ever heard that in the past 10 years? As you can see, this MacBook really is a huge fingerprint magnet. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I've just opened this. You can see, but I already have like huge fingerprints all over the place. This is not good. It doesn't come off easily. What is this? Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. Do you see that? I literally just opened this. My fingers are not dirty. I washed my hands. This is not good. Anyway, let's open this. Ooh, I love it. I like the look of this. It's a nice looking and feeling laptop. And the open and close experience pretty much can be done one-handed. Now let's turn it on. Hello? Is this gonna turn on? Is that the on button? How do you turn this on? Plug in a charger and see if it turns on. If it doesn't, then we're gonna have some problems. Okay, I guess what you needed to do is you needed to plug in a charger in order for your laptop to turn on. Which is a surprise because most laptops come charged, but this one didn't for some reason. All right. The trackpad is relatively nice. It has a very sturdy feel to it. It has a nice clickiness. We got a headphone jack.
The main language. Press the return key.
All right. We got a headphone jack and then we got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, which is not a lot of ports if you're a creator. Like let's say you need SD cards, you need you need to plug into an external HDMI. You don't have that. You need to get dongles. Okay, so we just went through the whole entire setup process. That took about 5 minutes. We skipped some parts, but this has a fingerprint reader. Okay. This screen, on first look, the screen is actually beautiful. I really like the screen. The glass is reflective, that's true, but it does look nice when it's not in the sun. I do see some reflections of other lights as well though. I'm coming from a PC, so I've never actually used a Apple laptop. I have iPhones, I have AirPods, I have a lot of Apple products, but never their computer, because I've always found it super limiting. But now that I'm a digital creator, I make content on the internet, I feel like I only use a couple apps like Photoshop, Adobe Premiere. I guess I can try out Final Cut as well. So like all the apps I need, I have. I don't play that many games anymore, so I think this will be a good fit. In terms of like the weight of the laptop, it's relatively light, a little bit heavier than my iPad. It doesn't feel as nice to carry, and these edges are very like I don't know if you can see, but the edges are very sharp, unlike the iPad. Because the iPad, it's a little bit curved, but this is like a straight 90-degree angle, so it doesn't feel as nice when you're holding it. It kind of like digging into your skin a little bit, right? You can see the marks there. It's kind of digging into your skin. And the one thing that is really messing me up is these fingerprints. I mean, come on, I've literally had this for 10 minutes and this is what it looks like. It looks so dirty already. Like, do you see this? This looks like I've had it for a year and it had just gone through the dumpster. This is not good. All right, okay, one big feature is that it says when you're turning the laptop on, you don't actually need to turn it on. It's like just always there for you. And it looks like that is true. Guess what we gotta do is just go on the internet a little bit, go on YouTube. Go on youtube.com. All right, let's play some music, copyright free. I like this. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, these speakers sound okay. They're not the best, but they're okay. I feel like it doesn't have as much bass as some of the other computers that I have, but for how big or small this laptop is, the computer sounds nice. All right, overall, I'm like quite pleased with the presentation of this, but we gotta test out the actual performance of this new Apple M1 MacBook Air. I gotta test it from a creator's perspective. So if you wanna see my review, it's gonna be linked right here. Just click it once it's up. This is Creator Unboxed. We'll see you next time. Keep creating.